Hey YouTube, welcome back to another hair review by Ken. Today's unit is from Cynosure Hair. This is what my package looks like, and yeah, it's my color, pink. So this unit that I'm rocking this week, lovely wig that I'm rocking, guys, is a deep wave. Yeah, 22 inch. Yeah, 22 inch, baby. I'll give this hair a 5 star, 5 out of 5, yes, because it nice, quality, texture, all of that nice. This is its natural color, guys. I go in with a little bleach. I bleach the knots, and you'll be seeing that further down into the video. Yes, guys, so I'll be leaving the links down for this hair in my description, so check them out, guys, if you want to rock a wig just like mine. Check them out. And I got this lovely lash from them, and wig caps, and a handout. So stay tuned, because y'all gonna see how I got this wig, installed this wig. So watch the clips, guys.